While the girls have been gone to camp with my mom this week, I got to spend some quality time with Buttercup, my mom's milk cow. She is so sweet, and I got to come milk every day that I wanted to. Oh, here come the calves. And it's been wonderful. I'm so excited about getting all this good yummy fresh Jersey milk. And I had the best helper ever this week. Let's see if I can find him. He helps me milk. He was in charge of letting the calves out when we were finished milking. He did a great job. One of the things that's so cool about fresh milk is when you milk, this froth builds up on top, and the froth keeps anything from falling into your milk. So bugs or grass or hair, anything like that, it keeps it up off of the milk until you can get inside and get it strained. So it's been a while since I've done any kind of a what we're doing around the house update or anything like that, and I thought I would show you what I did this week while the girls were gone to church camp. And I've been just knocking out little small projects all over the place since I just had Ben with me. Well, today he went to Mother's Day out at one of the churches here close to us, and I had 5 hours all to myself. It was wonderful. And I got a couple things done while he was gone, but I wanted to show you what I got done to the kids' bathroom. Now, the kids' bathroom, we haven't really done anything to it since we moved in. Literally, like we moved in and we put stuff in the cabinets and that was it. I haven't repainted yet. I can live with the paint color on the walls for now. And also, I just don't have the energy to repaint anything right now. So I'm not even worrying about it. It's the kids' bathroom. It's going to be abused. There's no point in worrying about it. But I did manage to find some cute stuff to go on the walls, and we finally, after living here for 6 months, got the shower curtain rod put up so they can actually start taking showers in their own bathroom and not having to come downstairs to our bathroom whenever they need to take a shower instead of a bath. So I'll show you what I got done today, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. This is a really nice sized bathroom, especially for kids. I really am glad they have their own bathroom. This was a big deal to have a second bathroom in our house. The one that we lived in town, we only have one bathroom, so this is really nice. I got this cute little basket to hold hand towels on clearance at Dollar General for $1, and it's so cute, and it was just what I needed. But we got a nice big cabinet. There's a nice big mirror. My sign from Hobby Lobby that I brought over from the other house. And I'm happy with the color on the walls for now. Like I said, we finally got the curtain rod put up so the kids will be able to take a shower. This bathtub is a 6 foot long bathtub, so it's longer than normal. And eventually I will get a wider shower curtain, but I've been saving this one and I don't really want to go out and buy another one. So this is just gonna have to do for now. And I also found these cute little pictures for in here. Aren't they precious? I hope the girls like them. They haven't seen them before. They'll see them when they get in from camp. But Ben loved them. They're super cute. And also up here, a recurring theme, we have these fabulous custom-built oak cabinets all throughout the house. So my kitchen cabinets, the cabinets in our bathroom, my pantry, they're all built, all custom built, and they're beautiful. And I've got so much room for stuff. Zoom back so you can see. I've got tons of room for towels. And then I use this side for blanket storage. And here, this is something I learned from my mom. Keep your kids' panties and underwear in the bathroom. That way it's easily accessible for them. And if they get in a bind and they need them, they're right there in the room where they need them. So I got these little baskets and put their names on them, and everybody's unmentionables are there, ready for them whenever they need it. Another thing that I really like about this bathroom is we have built-in laundry hampers. So I don't have to worry about keeping a hamper out up here. It's just here and ready to go. And whenever it's time to do laundry, just come open the door and get everything out. And once again, the same really nice cabinets over here on this side. We've got drawers. So there's a lot of storage here. And I'm really excited because I've never had this much storage in a bathroom before. So I'm really, really happy with how it turned out. With all of the excitement of getting the land cleared and all that, this may seem kind of insignificant, the fact that I'm so excited about it, but I am so excited about it. Jacob put me up a clothesline, so it's strung up between the trees, and I'm so glad to finally have one put up again, because oh my word, the electricity bill, we just got the biggest one yet, and we're still kind of reeling from that, and we're like, this is just June. So I'm trying to figure out ways to cut down on consumption so our bill will be smaller. So I am super excited to have a place to hang my towels outside. My sheets are gonna be so scratchy and crunchy, and they're just gonna be wonderful. So I'm being smart, and I'm using solar power to dry my laundry. We're that much closer to being able to live off grid. So I've been enjoying my new clothesline so much over the last almost 2 weeks, and I wanted to give y'all a little glimpse into some of the things I've noticed, some of the things we've noticed as a family since we've gone back to line dried clothes. So first of all, the towels. My husband's always loved the good scratchy line dried towels. He has always said that he feels like they do a better job absorbing the water whenever he dries off, and they just feel good because they're scratchy and all that. So it's fabulous. If you like fluffy towels, you're not gonna like line dried towels. But another thing that he noticed, and then once he said something, I noticed it as well, our towels are lasting longer. We reuse our towels. We don't use them once and then rewash them. We try to get at least 2 or 3 showers out of them. And with the line dried towels, we're finding out that we're able to do that. Whenever I was drying them in the dryer, 1-2 uses, and they would start to smell sour again. But since we've been hanging them out on the clothesline, we've been able to use them almost twice as long as towels dried in the dryer. All I can figure is it must be the sunshine helping to kill any bacteria or grunge or anything that's living in the towels. And so it's helping them stay fresh longer, and that's great because that means less laundry. Less laundry, I'm not using as much electricity or water. So I'm getting more bang for my buck, I guess you could say. I'm getting more use out of a towel per washing than I would normally. Another thing that I've noticed is I look forward to getting outside every day. Even though it's hot, right now we're having some of the highest temperatures we've had in June for this area in I don't know how long. I mean, we are almost triple digits every day. The heat index is ridiculous. So even though it is so hot, I'm enjoying getting outside for about 5 minutes at a time, 2 or 3, 4 or 5 times a day. And it's building up my heat tolerance, which is great. But it's also getting me out in the sunshine. I get vitamin D. I'm out listening to the birds. It's a mood booster for me. If we go into a long stretch without a lot of sunshine, I get really blue. I need a lot of sunshine. So I'm outside a lot more, and I'm getting a little bit more exercise because I'm walking back and forth to the clothesline, and it's just great since it's building my heat tolerance, and I'm getting a good healthy dose of vitamin D every day, and it's just better for me. I feel more active. So, I mean, that's good. I'm not gonna exercise. I'm not the exercising type. So this works in a little bit of extra activity for me outside. So something else that it's provided me an opportunity for, I love to sew things and make things, whether weaving, crocheting, whatever, things that are useful that I can use every day in my home. Well, it presented me an opportunity to make a clothespin bag. So I'll be doing a video about how to make a clothespin bag with a PDF pattern in the very near future, and talking about why I don't leave my clothespins on the line and why I bring them in every time. So that's coming up in the near future, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. I had a lot of fun filming it. I'm enjoying my clothesline. I enjoy the stuff I got done upstairs. If you aren't already a subscriber, I would love it if you would subscribe. It lets me know you enjoy the stuff that I share. You can also follow me on Instagram. I post there a couple times a week. And I hope you have a great rest of the week, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!